Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Today I would like to share with you a Scrapdiva Designs unboxing of some new dies in the shop. I know I looked on the site today and there's even more dies coming. So I'm going to show you what I have here. And we're going to start with the Peppermint Sentiments. This has a lot of lovely words, and I love these because you can use them with the embellishment piece in back, or you can use just the word itself. And I'm always looking for words to put on my projects. So you have Christmas, winter, sweet. This says everything. This says peppermint, kisses, wishes. This one says holiday cheer, and you also have the word holiday. So those are great to have in your stash. Excuse me, I have a sneeze here. The next one I'm going to show you is the basic hang tag, and you get several different sizes. You get two sizes on these, which you can use for your tags. This you can use to put a mini album together. These are cute for hanging little charms off of, and these are great for when you're making envelopes and you want to slip the flap under it so you don't need to put any magnets. So I'll have fun playing with that and showing you what I make with that. The next one is the Peppermint mini album that we have here, and you can see that it does emboss these little decorations into it, and you get a plain circle, and then you get a smaller peppermint there, and this will embellish your peppermint. It looks like you can make a shaker out of that. And then you get this piece right here with two more circle dies that have stitching. So I love making mini albums, so this one is going to be fun to create, to show for you. The next one I have is the mini scalloped envelope, and you get two sizes. This is great to put on tags, also to make tags for your gifts. It would be really cute if you put a sentiment, Dear Santa, on this with a little note card in the side. That would be a great tag for Christmas presents. So I'll have fun making things with this for you. The next one is the Ghost mini album, and you get the background and then a stitched embellishment piece, and you get the word spooky with a background piece. They have eyelashes and eyes on here, and bows and all kinds of things to create a really cute Ghost mini album. So I'll be putting this together for you soon, so you can see that before Halloween. And then we have the Christmas script words. I love these words. I love the Halloween set. I'm glad we have a Christmas set, and you get several words in this set. It's jolly and Christmas, Santa, and I have to turn them upside down because some of them are upside down. This one's Mary, this one is Believe, and this one is looks like Jolly or Holly. It's Holly. There you go. So I will have fun using these. The next one is called this one is Christmas script words. This one is called Christmas words, and this has a nice font in it, and you get several dies with this. I had opened this. I forgot I tried to use one of the words, and I just put it back together. Oh, I did use Santa. I did use Santa on something. And you have Santa, Believe, Noel, Hope, Love, Care. And this side is Rejoice, You, and Christmas. So you have several dies in there for your Christmas crafting. The next die to share with you, these are called the Shaker Christmas plates. So you can use these for your shakers, and it'll cut out pieces a lot of pieces all at once. So if you're using your glitter paper, you don't have to cut them one by one. It'll cut them all out at once. So you get snowflakes and mittens. So these are going to be fun to play with. And you get trees and Santa hats. So these are great to have. You also can cut these out on foil. And I understand there's a white glitter paper you can get at Walmart. I have to check my Walmart to see if they have it, which would be perfect for these snowflakes for your shakers. And it's nice to have this because sometimes you can't always find trees and hats and mittens and snowflakes for your shaker material. The next one I'm going to share with you, I have already shared a project, and this is called the Candy Cane Memorydex Shaker card, and I made 2 cards with this, and then I used this piece and this piece to make a Christmas bulb type of tree ornament. I love this die. I'm going to be using this a lot. And it comes with the word jolly, and it comes with these candy canes that go on top of here. So you want to cut these out on your red or green or even gold cardstock and layer them on top of here. And then you've got this piece right here, which is the top of the Christmas bulb to put on the top. So you get everything you need to make a beautiful Christmas ornament. And it does have the word jolly. And last but not least that I'll share with you is the Christmas words number 2. And I have already used this as well. The words are merry, jingle, bells, joy, Christmas, bright, believe, and Santa. This is great for having around for your Christmas projects as well. I'd like to thank you so much for joining me today. It was a pleasure to have you along with me. I wish you all well, and until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.